In a small town in 2035, Maya Thompson stood at her kitchen counter, nervously eyeing a sleek device that had become a fixture in her home, a 3D medical printer. Just a week ago, her son Lucas had been diagnosed with a rare drug-resistant infection. The local hospital had tried everything, but nothing worked. Desperate, the doctors suggested a last resort option, a custom-designed antibiotic printed right at home. Maya hesitated, recalling the doctor's words. The drug would be tailor-made for Lucas, designed to target the infection without harming his fragile immune system. All she had to do was press a button. Taking a deep breath, Maya entered the code sent by the doctor and watched as the machine hummed to life. Inside, a specialized pharmaceutical link began to form the pill, layer by microscopic layer. The process took less than an hour, but it felt like an eternity. When the printer beeped, signaling the medication was ready, Maya gently took the small blue pill from the machine and handed it to Lucas. His wide eyes looked up at her, filled with trust. "This will make you better," she whispered, her voice trembling. Over the next few days, Lucas's condition improved steadily. The infection began to recede, his energy returned, and the worry that had gripped Maya's heart started to ease. The custom-printed drug was working. Word spread quickly through the town about Lucas's recovery, and soon other families were using their own 3D printers to create personalized medications. The community, once reliant on distant hospitals and generic treatments, had embraced a new era of healthcare, one where medicine was not only personalized, but also accessible from the comfort of home. Maya marveled at how quickly everything had changed. The future she had once only read about in science fiction was now her reality. Her son was healthy, and the power to heal was literally at her fingertips. As she watched Lucas play outside, free from the illness that had once threatened his life, Maya felt a profound sense of gratitude. The 3D medical printer was more than just a piece of technology. It was a lifeline, a promise of a future where no one would have to wait for the right treatment. It was a future where every family had the power to heal. Imagine printing your medication at home, just like you print documents. This might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's becoming a reality. This is the promise of 3D printed medicine, a revolutionary technology transforming healthcare. With 3D printing, we can create medications that are specifically designed for each individual patient, offering a level of personalization and precision that was once unimaginable. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is revolutionizing the way we create objects. This technology creates three-dimensional objects from a digital design, allowing for unprecedented precision and customization. In the field of medicine, 3D printing begins with a detailed computer model of the medication. The 3D printer then meticulously builds the medication layer by layer, using a specialized material designed for medical use. The material used in this process is typically a pharmaceutical link containing the active ingredients necessary for the medication's effectiveness. The printer deposits the ink with incredible precision, following the digital blueprint to ensure accuracy and consistency. This advanced process allows for the creation of complex shapes and structures that would be impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. One of the most significant advantages of 3D printed medication is the ability to personalize treatments for individual patients. Doctors can tailor medications to specific needs, making this technology especially beneficial for patients with unique conditions or sensitivities. For instance, a child who struggles to swallow pills could have their medication printed in a chewable, gummy-like form. Patients with multiple prescriptions could have their medications combined into a single personalized pill, simplifying their medication regimen and improving adherence. 3D printing also allows for precise control over dosage, which is crucial for medications where even slight variations can impact effectiveness or cause adverse effects. Traditional pill cutting can be inaccurate and lead to inconsistent dosing. With 3D printing, each pill is created with the exact dosage required, ensuring that patients receive the correct amount of medication every time. This level of accuracy is particularly important for children and elderly patients who often require smaller, more specific doses. While the potential of 3D printed medicine is vast, it is not without its challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is regulatory approval. Ensuring the safety and efficacy of 3D printed medications requires robust regulations and testing protocols. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and other regulatory bodies must adapt to this new technology, creating standards that ensure these medications are safe for public use. Another challenge is the cost of the technology. 3D printers and pharmaceutical inks can be expensive, potentially limiting access for some patients. However, as technology advances and becomes more widespread, the costs are expected to decrease, making 3D printed medicine more accessible to a broader population. Despite the challenges, 3D printed medicine is already making an impact. In 2015, the FDA approved the first 3D printed drug, Spritam, for treating seizures. This approval marked a significant milestone in the pharmaceutical industry, paving the way for further advancements in the field. Since then, researchers and scientists have been exploring the full potential of 3D printing in medicine. From creating complex drug formulations to developing new methods of drug delivery. Researchers are also looking into the potential of 3D printing for personalized cancer treatments, which can be tailored to the specific needs of individual patients, offering more effective and targeted therapies. Additionally, there is ongoing research into bioprinted organs for transplantation, which could one day eliminate the need for organ donors and reduce the risk of organ rejection. Furthermore, the technology is being used to manufacture customized medical devices designed to fit the unique anatomy of each patient, improving comfort and functionality. The future of 3D printed medicine is bright. As the technology evolves and becomes more accessible, we can expect to see more 3D printed medications on the market for various conditions. This includes the widespread adoption of 3D printing in hospitals and pharmacies, and personalized medicine becoming the standard of care. 3D printed medication represents a transformative shift in healthcare, enabling the creation of customized treatments tailored to the unique needs of each patient. This technology offers a glimpse into a future where medicine is more precise, accessible, and personalized than ever before. While significant challenges remain, such as regulatory hurdles and ensuring equitable access, the potential benefits of 3D printing are undeniable. As research and development continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, 3D printing promises to reshape how we approach treatment and patient care. The ability to create bespoke medications could revolutionize everything from chronic disease management to emergency care, making personalized medicine not just a luxury, but a standard of care. But with such powerful technology comes important questions. How do we ensure that this innovation benefits all patients equally? What ethical considerations should we be mindful of as we move towards a future where people could print their own medications at home? We invite you to share your thoughts and join the conversation on the impact of 3D medical printing on the future of healthcare.